Hello children, hope you all are doing well. Today I am here with the chapter number 10, Weather and Season Mind Map. Along with that, we are going to do a quick summary of this chapter. So shall we begin? Now children, please observe the mind map of this chapter. So in this chapter, we have studied about weather and seasons. What is the weather? Weather is a state of the atmosphere at a given time and place. So we know that weather will be changing from time to time, hour to hour and day to day. How many seasons do we have, children? All around a year we have 5 seasons: spring, summer, rainy, autumn and winter. Now let us see how each season is different from one another and how they affect our daily life. The first one we have discussed is about spring. Spring is a short season. The weather during this season is very pleasant and the days become longer. We can find many beautiful flowers and colorful flowers grown during this season. The next season we are going to discuss is about summer. Summer season comes after spring season and the sun shines brightly and the sky becomes very clear. In some places it is very hot and that the rivers and ponds become dry. So what type of clothes do we wear in summer season? We wear cotton clothes, isn't it? And we love to drink lots of cold drinks, juice and ice creams. It is a season of fruits such as watermelon and mango. The next season we are going to see is about rainy season. In this season, it rains a lot during the rainy season and we can see dark clouds gathering in the sky and often hide the sun. We use raincoats, umbrellas and gumboots on rainy days to keep our body dry. The next season is about autumn season. Autumn season comes after rainy season and it is just before the winter season. In this season, the days start getting shorter and cooler. So here the weather becomes pleasant as it is neither too hot nor too cold climate. And do you know, some trees even shed their leaves at this time. The last season we are going to see is about winter. It is the coldest season of the year. This is the coldest season of the year and in this season the sun may not shine brightly and even cold winds blow. The days get shorter and the nights get longer during winter. And what type of clothes do we wear in winter season, children? We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold, isn't it? So that's all about this chapter. Now children, let us look into our activities. The first activity you have to do is, you have to observe a week. How? I will tell you. So students, you have to do an observation record in your classwork notebook. You have to do that. Note down the observation about the weather changes from morning till night, and every day you have to note down what is the climate in the morning, how was it, whether it is sunny, whether it is windy or cloudy. So all the things you have to note it down in your classwork notebook. Now the second activity is, you have to make a list of 5 items that you need to pack when you visit each of these places. Ma'am will give you the places. If you are traveling to hot places, that's the first one. The second one is cold places and the third one is rainy places. And one more activity, we have to find out the names of the months in which we have different seasons in India. That we will do together in the class. So I hope you all understood this chapter, my dear children. Let us see during our interactive session. Take care then, bye.